Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready for an exciting adventure full of knowledge and entertainment? If the answer is yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single episode. Rome is the capital of Italy and one of the oldest and most historic cities in the world. It is famous for its monuments and attractions, including the Colosseum, the Pantheon, the Trevi Fountain, and Vatican City, which houses St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums. Rome is also renowned for its culture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant nightlife. It is a city rich in history, art, and architectural wonders, attracting millions of visitors every year. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you. Get ready for an immersive virtual tour of one of the most magnificent cities in the world, Rome. In this 4K virtual tour, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the ancient ruins, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems that make Rome a timeless destination. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this unforgettable adventure together. Let's dive into our virtual exploration of Rome. Historical marvels. Our first stop on this virtual tour is the heart of Rome's historical marvels, the Colosseum. Built in 70 to 80 AD, this iconic amphitheater was once the epicenter of gladiatorial battles and grand spectacles. As we step inside, take a moment to envision the vibrant crowd, the roar of excitement, and the awe-inspiring architecture that has withstood the test of time. Moving on, we find ourselves at the Roman Forum, the ancient center of political, commercial, and social life in Rome. Amidst the ruins of temples, arches, and basilicas, we can sense the echoes of the past, where great minds like Julius Caesar once walked and made history. Our next stop takes us to the breathtaking Pantheon, a masterpiece of Roman engineering. Stepping through its majestic doors, we are greeted by the oculus, an open hole in the ceiling that allows sunlight to illuminate the interior, creating an ethereal atmosphere that leaves visitors in awe. Vatican City. Now, let's venture into the world's smallest independent state, Vatican City. Our first destination is St. Peter's Square, where the grandeur of Bernini's colonnade and the towering obelisk set the stage for the majestic St. Peter's Basilica. Inside, be prepared to marvel at masterpieces like Michelangelo's Pietà and the stunning dome designed by the great architect himself. Adjacent to the Basilica, we enter the Vatican Museums, home to an extraordinary collection of art spanning centuries. From the mesmerizing Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's frescoes, to the Raphael rooms, housing breathtaking masterpieces, each step in these hallowed halls reveals the beauty and brilliance of human creativity. Finally, our virtual tour takes us to the Apostolic Palace, where we catch a glimpse of the Pope's residence and the splendor of the Vatican Gardens. These tranquil green spaces provide a serene escape from the bustling city, offering a moment of reflection and peace. Captivating neighborhoods. Rome isn't just about its ancient wonders, it's also a city of vibrant neighborhoods. Our first stop is Trastevere, a picturesque district known for its narrow cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and lively atmosphere. This charming neighborhood is a hub of Roman cuisine, with trattorias offering mouth-watering dishes that will leave you craving for more. Next, we explore the trendy neighborhood of Monte, with its hip boutiques, artisanal shops, and eclectic mix of vintage and contemporary fashion. Monte is also home to the beautiful Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore, an architectural gem with stunning mosaics and a rich history. To conclude our virtual tour, we visit the elegant Via Veneto, famous for its luxurious hotels and glamorous past. As we stroll along this iconic street, we can't help but imagine the echoes of La Dolce Vita, the golden era of Italian cinema. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos and adventures. Join us as we continue to explore the treasures of Italy, and let's keep discovering together.